Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can combine photos and videos in one frame on CapCut Mobile. So here I've already added the video and I'm going to add the image or the photos as overlay. So add the overlay and add the photo. Okay, I'm going to find the photo first. Okay, this one, click on add. And after that, to make it more blending, you can use masking. Go to mask and then select the shape. I'm going to go with circle and adjust the size like this, and you are done. So you can adjust also the position. Click on the check icon when you're done. Then put it to where you want, for example in here, and adjust the duration like this, and you are done. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the text. Bye.